This is my soya chunk rice, biryani style, and it's my go to on days I'm not eating chicken. It's high in protein, super filling, and still gives you that comforting feeling of biryani. I love to add more soya chunks than rice so every bite has more protein and fewer carbs. It's one of those meals that feels satisfying but still light and balanced. Perfect for busy days, perfect for family meals, and honestly, so easy to make at home. If you're looking for a healthy, high protein alternative, you can try this. Follow me.